Hello everyone. Before diving into today's topic, we want to take a moment to thank you for your support. Every like, comment, and subscription truly makes a difference and helps this channel grow. If you enjoy our content and don't want to miss future videos, subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell to receive all updates. The universe never ceases to amaze us with its extraordinary phenomena, and one of the most incredible discoveries involves a gigantic cloud of water vapor located about 12 billion light-years from Earth. This immense reservoir of water, the largest and most distant ever observed, surrounds a quasar, an extremely luminous cosmic object powered by a supermassive black hole. The presence of such a vast amount of water at such great distances and in such an ancient era challenges traditional notions of how water reserves form and evolve in the universe. A team of astronomers identified this colossal water cloud using radio observations conducted with telescopes in Hawaii and California. The cloud surrounds the quasar APM 08279 plus 5255, a celestial body powered by a black hole with a mass about 20 billion times that of the Sun. This quasar emits enormous amounts of radiation, heating the water cloud to temperatures reaching 700 Kelvin, or about 427 degrees Celsius. Yet, the water remains in vapor form due to the pressure and extreme physical conditions. According to scientists' estimates, the cloud contains about 140 trillion times the amount of water found in Earth's oceans. This means it is the largest known water reservoir in the universe explored so far. Additionally, the water vapor is distributed over a vast area, covering a region spanning approximately 2,000 light-years. Such a massive volume of water challenges previous theories about the distribution of elements like water in the early universe. The fact that a quasar, with its turbulent environment and intense radiation, can host a water cloud of this size prompts reflection on the conditions necessary for its existence. This discovery is groundbreaking because it demonstrates that water has been present in the universe since its earliest stages. Since the quasar's light took 12 billion years to reach us, we are observing the water cloud as it was when the universe was only 1.6 billion years old, about 10% of its current age. This suggests that the physical and chemical processes leading to water formation were already active at a very early stage of the universe. In fact, some theoretical models suggest that the formation of complex molecules like water could have occurred starting from the first generations of stars, which released elements like oxygen and hydrogen necessary for its synthesis. Moreover, the discovery provides important clues about the formation and evolution of quasars and supermassive black holes. The fact that enormous amounts of water can exist in such extreme environments indicates that water is a more widespread cosmic element than previously thought. This could influence theories on galaxy formation and large-scale cosmic structures. The distribution of water in these regions might play a crucial role in the cooling processes of nebulae, facilitating the formation of new stars and galaxies. Cosmological models might need to be revised to account for the abundance of water in the early stages of the cosmos. Water is composed of hydrogen and oxygen, two abundant elements in the universe. However, its large-scale formation depends on specific conditions, such as adequate temperatures and the presence of cosmic dust. Water molecules primarily form in cold, dense regions like nebulae, where collisions between hydrogen and oxygen atoms can give rise to new molecules. The discovery of this giant water cloud suggests that water may have formed under these conditions even in very distant environments and early cosmic epochs. The existence of water vapor in such extreme environments, like those surrounding supermassive black holes, implies that water synthesis processes can occur even under conditions very different from those on Earth. The presence of water is a key element in the search for extraterrestrial life. Although the cloud surrounding this quasar is inhospitable due to its extreme physical conditions, its existence suggests that water may be more widespread in the universe than previously imagined. This increases the likelihood that there are planets or moons with environments favorable to the development of life. In particular, the discovery reinforces the theory that water could be a common ingredient in other regions of the cosmos, increasing the chances of finding worlds that can support life forms similar to those on Earth. Scientists have already identified exoplanets with atmospheres containing water vapor, suggesting that water may be common in stellar systems. If in the future we manage to identify planets with liquid oceans similar to those on Earth, the chances of discovering extraterrestrial life, even at a microbial level, will increase. The search for liquid water is at the heart of astrobiological research, and the existence of vast water reservoirs in the early universe could also suggest that life, although rare, may have developed in environments similar to the early stages of our solar system. Modern technologies are revolutionizing how we discover and analyze water in space. Telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, and the Atacama Large Millimeter/Submillimeter Array, ALMA, have the capability to detect water vapor in planetary atmospheres and interstellar nebulae. The JWST, in particular, is already transforming our understanding of the atmospheric composition of distant exoplanets, using spectroscopy to identify traces of water vapor and other key molecules in the atmospheres of extrasolar planets. Future space missions, such as NASA's proposed LargestWater Observatory, could provide further details on the distribution of water in the universe, allowing us to explore the conditions of planets located in the habitable zone of their stars. Additionally, missions like ESA's JUICE, Jupiter Icy Moons Explorer, which will explore Jupiter's icy moons, could reveal new information about the presence of water in environments far from Earth. The gigantic water cloud in space represents one of the most extraordinary discoveries in modern astronomy. Not only does it confirm the widespread presence of water in the early universe, but it also opens new perspectives for studying galaxy formation, black holes, and even life itself. As our exploration of the cosmos continues, new discoveries could reveal further mysteries about the origins of water and its connection to life in the universe. Water has always been considered an essential element for life, and its presence in such vast quantities at such immense distances offers further evidence that the fundamental chemical processes for life might be universal. With advancements in observational technologies and continued deep space exploration, the future of cosmic water research promises to be rich in new and fascinating discoveries. Our understanding of the universe could radically change as we continue to decipher the role of water and other crucial elements in the formation and evolution of the cosmos. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.